DIY decorators, I'm Mark Montano, and today on Make Your Mark with DecoArt, we are making stuffed cactuses. And we're using Americana Writers and DecoArt Vintage Effect Wash. Now before I forget, I want you to thumbs up if you like this video, and leave DecoArt a comment if you have a question about this project, or you just want to say hello to DecoArt. Are you ready? Let's make some stuffed cactuses. Make sure to check out DecoArt.com for everything I used in this project and more. And don't forget to make your mark with DecoArt. See you next week.